Hello guys, it's JR. So right now I'm going to teach you how to change your screws inside your car, door panels. So you need to have this, of course, Phillips screwdriver, and this one, it's 12, number 12 Phillips screws, and that's all I guess. So should we start this now? Okay. So I got the stock screws. So I'm not that sure if this one comes with the car if you buy a new one, but I'm not sure if this is really the stock screw. So might as well just take all this off from the door panels, and I'm going to change it with the stainless steel screws, so I won't have any problems about rust someday. So this one needs to be gone. So that was it. I'm going to show you what it looks like now. So that's it. Stainless steel screws under there. I changed all those pretty much because I really need to do this so that the car won't have any rust issues about the screws someday. Just like that. And pretty much that was it. Look at those. So that's the outcome. Those are stainless screws, so that I won't have to worry about rust someday. So, and also one thing. Hello big guy, little guy. Hello Naughty, this is Naughty. And that one right there is, I'm not sure if you can see this one, but that little girl is Goldie. They're not my cats, but I'm fond of cats, of course. Look at him, he's trying to lay down like he's going to. Look at him, that cute little boy right there. Naughty, Naughty, Naughty. Hello Naughty, Naughty. Look at this little guy. He's just so adorable. So that's Naughty. And this one's my boy. This one's Wendell. Hello Wendell. How are you? How are you, little guy? You're not little anymore. You're a big guy now. Look at this. Big guy. Do you miss me? Huh? Huh? Look at this big boy right here. Look at this. Look at this camera. This one's my boy. My big boy. That's the car right there. So I guess that was it guys for today's install. Maybe you can go like this video if you like it, and you can go comment, and please click subscribe down below for more videos, of course. And I guess I'll see you next time. Bye bye.